As you know, my name is Jules Zubin, and this is a real pleasure for me to be with you tonight. Um, our next guest, we're gonna have a smart young man. He has only 14 years old. He speaks four languages. And that guy, you will love him. Why? Because he has a lot of dreams. That guy is very, very smart and funny, and is really serious too. This is a kid like every parent would like to have in their life. Today. Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
fine.
What's your name?
My name is Jardel Lochard Fiduch.
Okay. Can you tell to everybody how old are you right now?
I'm 14 years old.
Okay. You're 14 years old. You live where do you live in America?
I live on Long Island.
Long Island, New York.
Yeah, New York.
Okay. Between Haiti, Dominican Republic, and United States, which country you love better or you love more?
Haiti,
Haiti.
because that's my country. I born in Haiti.
Okay.
I love Haiti.
You love Haiti.
Yeah,
You just love Haiti
yeah,
because this is your country.
yeah. That's my country.
All right. I got you. What is your dream?
My dream is to be a professional soccer player.
Wow. You would like to be a professional soccer player?
Yeah.
Why? Because of money or because of passion? Because you love it?
Passion,
What about money?
money. After. It's
Okay.
After. But
Okay.
right now, it's passion.
Between Haiti,
Yeah.
Dominican Republic, and the United States, which country would you like now to
Now.
live if you had to choose?
It's 80, but you say right now, but I'm gonna say like United States because United States they give me a lot of opportunity to follow my dream. So, and American people, they are like good people, help you to
To become
to become what you want
to be
here to be.
good, good. You don't have any girlfriend?
Right now,
Yeah.
I'm single right now.
You say, oh, single right now.
Yeah, I'm single.
Which is mean you had a girlfriend in the past.
Yeah, yeah.
Where in Dominican Republic?
Yeah, and Dominican Republic.
You don't miss her?
A little.
Cool, cool, cool. The dream you would like to be a lawyer. Where you get that from?
And my family, I got like a 5 or 6 uncle lawyer. So
Yeah.
I have to follow this step.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about the soccer player dreams? Where that came from?
My dad,
From your dad?
yeah,
Which is mean he's a soccer player.
he played, but he's
not a professional.
He's not professional.
Okay.
Yeah,
But you would like to be to play in this professional level.
yeah,
Okay. Did you start the process already?
Yeah.
Which is mean if you play for a club, your school. Tell me
Yeah.
about it.
I play for a club and
Okay.
I play for my school.
Okay.
Yeah,
The club is in New York, Dominican
Yeah,
Republic,
New York.
because you have so many countries, man.
he's in New York.
New York.
I play for Oberto Soccer Club in Elmont Memorial High School.
Okay.
Yeah,
In 10 years, where do you see yourself?
in 10 years, I see myself to win the World Cup
To win the World Cup.
with Haiti or United States, USA.
Awesome. You told me you would like to play for a club in Europe. Which one?
PSG,
Why?
because my favorite player played there, so that's why I wanna follow.
You would like to be there too?
Yeah, yeah.
Good, good. Let's see. Okay, you never start start the process, try to contact them, call them, send them email, because everything is like so easy right now.
Yeah, it's so easy, but so I try to be there, but you have to go step by step. So
Yes,
I'm like this,
I got you.
and I'm gonna be like this tomorrow. So
Okay. If you don't start the process, if you don't try to get in touch with them, you will never start. You know that, right?
yeah, I try.
Okay.
Because right now I'm in a club, so and I think tomorrow a lot of people gonna see me play for my team. So I don't know because my dad gonna be my manager tomorrow.
What about me? I thought I would be the manager.
Yeah, you too.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah,
Okay, this is a great pleasure for us. And I would like to thank your dad because he's here with you.
yeah,
And because this is the way we do the show here.
yeah,
I would like to tell you good luck.
yeah, yeah.
And but do you have any message for anybody
Yeah.
or people who don't like never follow their dreams? They get like sometimes they just like feel down, get down. They don't do anything. Keep complaining about if my dad did that, I should be okay. If my mom did that, I didn't pass because of the professor. They always have an excuse. What the message for those people?
My first message is for my dad.
Okay.
So I have to tell him tomorrow he gonna be happy. So I'm gonna try to help him. And my second message is for my mom. I love you, mommy. And the third one is for everybody. Look at me right now. So follow your dream. Yeah, keep working.
Good. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Your house and your family security must be your first concern. And you can trust HULUTECHS to take care of that. HULUTECHS can install wireless indoor and outdoor wireless cameras, wire security camera system solar panels and wireless cameras, hidden cameras systems. HULUTECHS is the new revolution in technology services. You can contact us at 516-595-6581 and www.hulatex.com.